Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix battery draining while charging. It's going to be related to smartphones. So if your device is losing battery while charging, it could be an indication of a number of potential issues. So firstly, check the charger and cable, use the original charger and make sure that you're using the original charger and cable that came with your device or one that's compatible. Check the output power as well so that the wattage is proper. Inspect for damage, check for any signs of wear or damage on the charger and cable. Close power hungry apps. So you want to close the apps that are running in the background, especially those that use a lot of resources. For example, games, streaming apps, navigation apps, etc. Also check battery usage. Go to your settings and check which apps are consuming the most battery and close them. Also, you want to update your software. Ensure your device is running the latest version of the operating system, as software updates often include bug fixes and improvements to power management. Also update apps regularly to ensure they aren't causing any unnecessary battery drain. Check for overheating. Devices tend to charge slower when overheating and sometimes can drain battery even when plugged in. Avoid charging in hot environments or while using the device intensively. If your device heats up while charging, removing the case as well can help with heat dissipation. Also, you might want to enable the battery saver mode. If your device has a power saver mode, enabling it while charging can help reduce battery usage. Disable the unnecessary features as well, like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS or mobile data if they are not needed during charging. Also, you might want to reduce screen brightness. Also, you might want to check for defective battery, and if it's defected, replace it. And of course, the also important tip is avoid using the device while charging, because playing games, watching videos or running resource-intensive apps while charging can cause the device to use more power than it's receiving, and you're basically charging into the minus, as they say, and instead of receiving the charge from the actual outlet, you're actually losing it because you're using more than you're gaining. Also, let me know if you have tried any of these and I can guide you further if you want, and leave a comment under the video asking any questions. We will do our best to help you, and thanks for watching.